honoring the legacy of the past and moving forward with a commitment to build a state-of-the-art high school serving the faculty and students in the fall of 2020. The Facilities Service Department is proud to present the new construction progress of Robert E. Lee High School. One of the main attractions of the school design is the south entrance of the academic building facing Shiloh. The three-story academic building is a facility that embraces the traditional architectural feel of the Tyler community. The exterior is a mixture of brick, cast stone, and glass fiber reinforced concrete for the cornice detailing, columns, entry pediments, and balcony balusters. The courtyard is the main central focus of the academic building area. It faces the main entrance, media, library area south, career and technology to the east, art and art studio classrooms are to the north, and this gives art students the opportunity to have class outside, drawing in great inspiration for their artwork. And the cafeteria is to the west, which will provide student access to eat outside, as well as provide functions for events. Now let's take a look at the interior of the academic building. As you enter the building, you're immediately drawn into the grand space and invited with beautiful architectural wood features and ornate stair railings. This leads up to the second floor that looks over the Media Center. The Media Center is located between the academic classrooms and access to the courtyard. This quiet space functions as a library with multiple charging stations, access to power for laptop usage, offers state-of-the-art technology such as HDMI connectivity and accessibility of wireless connections. There are many media areas located throughout the academic building that can be used for meeting spaces and student breakout areas. In keeping with the architectural features, you will find continuation of ornate railings and stained wood ceilings throughout. Collaboration spaces outside of all classrooms can be used for group work or multi-purpose for students and faculty. All corridors have wainscot tile, VCT flooring, and high-performance fabric wall covering that can be used to hang up posters. The classrooms will accommodate up to 28 students. It's equipped with state-of-the-art technology such as 75-inch interactive flat panel TVs that teachers may use for planning lessons and use as learning tool to teach class. There is natural lighting in most classroom settings. This promotes a healthy learning environment and adds many beneficial effects on student overall classroom success. Let's continue our journey to the fine arts part of the academic building. The band hall will be the new home of the Red Raiders, holding 250 students, 2 major ensemble rooms, director offices, band library, instrument and uniform storage, and easy access to unload equipment and instruments. In addition, there is a choir, orchestra, and dance drill hall with similar features. The newly updated Performing Arts Center will seat over 700 students, family, and friends. This venue features a new sound system, LED and theatrical lighting, newly upholstered seating, new carpet, and new acoustical panels. The back end of the theater loft area will allow stage crews to have easy access to move props around and ability to build props in the new scene shop. There are dressing rooms to prepare for performances as well. The opening of the Performing Arts Center will be October of 2019. This is our first major milestone for the project. We are on schedule to complete the academic building August of 2020, and the exterior sports facilities will follow shortly thereafter. We just want to thank our taxpayers for all your support, and we look forward to sharing this new facility with the Tyler community.